Okay, so right. Alright, let's do this. Hi, my name is Ali and I am an artist, a makeup artist also. And if you are here watching my video, first of all, thank you so much. Second of all, I'm really awkward. Third of all, I fangirl a lot. Fourth of all, please remember to be kind and also to love yourself. And if I have made you smile at all at any point in this video, then my job here is done. Have a fantastic day. Did I say that weird? Yeah, probably. And please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment, and you can follow me and all my other fancy stuff. Okay, I'm done. That's really bothering me. That is really bothering. Focus, Liz. So I'm just gonna draw on my suit very quickly. This is the NYX Milk Jumbo pencil. It's kind of finishing, but this is what I use. Usually I'm just gonna sharpen it. Liquid latex, this is from Maron. I used mainly Maron Paradise AQ paints. They look like this. These are water activated paints, so all you do is just spray some water. Some people do fix it spray, you can do rose water. It's fine, it doesn't change the consistency. Alright, it's so cute. Okay, so yes, definitely very patchy. I know we do a second layer, but it's called Cocoa Bear from Makeup Geek, and it's basically a terracotta kind of color. And what I'll do, I'll show you what I'll do. I grab a angle brush, fairly big angle brush. Up. Okay, so I basically just create a shot where this is going to be on top. Right now it's gonna look really awkward, especially, but this is just a base too. This is not what it's gonna be in the end. I love doing stitches or anything like So now that I'm going to be mainly working with eyeshadows, I'm going to add some translucent powder all over so that when I start using the eyeshadows, everything blends a little bit easier. Like for example, just now when I was doing the brown over the yellow, paint was kind of coming apart a little bit. It's becoming chaotic, guys. So, oh, and what I use for body paint especially, because I don't want anything to have any color. What's happening? What's happening? Oh, it's danger. Oh my god. Very nice. I'm so sorry that my camera doesn't. I will figure out how to get that to focus when I put it. Anyway, it's a natural set from Benai. Obviously, try not to go over an area that you just painted. Don't let it stay in that area for too long, because then you will see it. I'm just gonna grab some black and deepen the shadow in some of these areas, mainly the corner. Yeah, in this area I'm just going to try to draw the line first, so then I have a neat guide to blend from there. And I'm creating the shadow basically that goes on the white shirt, because the jacket is over the white. So that's kind of like my that's my thought process basically. So the cream paints that I use are from the Makeup Forever Flash Palette. Love. So I'm gonna try to fix some of the patchiness with this most likely be using a lot of white, so white Liz, so that I highlight and try to patch, especially that shirt needs some serious touch-ups. So I'm just gonna grab like a fluffy brush like this. I guess you could call it a knife shadow brush. Just gonna grab some white, put it back on my hand. What I was telling you guys about, I'm just gonna highlight. So basically right there, kind of like when you do high points of the face, same kind of thing. There must be high points to the clothing. This lid. I know I promised I would film the face. I got a little carried away, but basically all I did was I mixed the green, and this ball cap is horrible, my god. I mixed the green and the yellow, more yellow than green, to get my face even first of all, and then okay, so the eyebrows are still showing a little bit. I'm just looking at myself in the camera, making sure everything is good, but I used the green from the Flash palette, trying to cover up those eyebrows. I still need to do that over again. I'll see how it goes when I start shading in and giving it structure. But yeah, and then I set everything with translucent powder. So I'm gonna highlight a bit first. I'm gonna use some yellow to bring high points of my face, top, center, and then I'll start contouring with some green. So by putting the brown over, I'm kind of cancelling out that green a little bit, giving it a little bit more dimension. So I am in the process of just highlighting my brow bone. I just shaded underneath, but I'm basically trying to make this area pop. He has very defined. Oh god, what am I grabbing from there for? So it's basically just yellow and white that I'm using, and mixing it into the green. Now my feather is shit. It is from a 2-year-old Bliss carnival costume. Shout out to Bliss. And I tried to use like hairspray paint. Anyway, this is not the exact hat, but I think it does a pretty good job. Yeah boy, that ball cap. Okay, in my defense, ball caps are made so that you obviously cut out the air, so the airs are free, but the mask doesn't have airs, and I only realized that literally when I'm printing the reference picture to shoot the film. So that's what happened, and that's why it's like not at all fitting, and that's also why I am not gonna be taking the picture from this side at all. Okay, it's gonna be like this. What is it facing? Why do I make that noise when I'm like, like, am I growling? Like, what am I doing?